welcome to another episode of Livin Life with Rick and Jerry. Today I'm going to be opening my October IPSY bag. So let's go ahead and see what my bag looks like and what I got inside. From the previous months that they've had their bags, they've currently changed from this color to this light pink, and it actually says IPSY on it. And it says discover yourself. So I really like this bag a lot. I like the color, I like the texture. I just like it. So let's go ahead and see what our bag looks like. I'm super excited, guys. Let's see what it is. Oh! So this is a new collab that IPSY has done with Betty Boop. So it's Betty Boop X IPSY bag, or IPSY. So this is super cute. It's Betty Boop on the front and like a metallic kind of like shade. And the back it has sequences. Really pretty, and it has a little B for Betty. This, you know, it's kind of makes me a little bit sad because before my grandma passed away, she was a really big fan of Betty Boop. She loved makeup, and I know that if she were alive today, she would want this bag and she would love this bag, and I probably would give it to her if I could see her facial reaction. And I miss her dearly. So let's get on to this opening of the bag. So our first product, or my first product, sorry, is, it looks like it's Space Case. Yes, so it's Space Case Cosmetics, and it's Seen from Space highlighter. It almost looks like it's full size, which is really cool. Let's go ahead and give this a swatch and see. It looks like it could be a little bit gold instead of more of like a white, like a silver kind of white, like my Ofra from the previous bag. So let's go ahead and give it a swatch and see what this looks like. So it looks like it has more of a gold shade than a white. So let's go ahead and, yeah, it's more of a like a champagne kind of goldish color, which is really nice because, I mean, then again, too, you know, your highlighters can always be used as eyeshadows or eyeliners or whatever you want to use them for. So this is really cool, and it's a really cool color. And once again, this is Seen from Space by Space Case. So let's go ahead and move on to the next product and our beautiful Betty the Boop bag. Okay, so this next product is, I don't know how to pronounce this, but Camelina and Strobe. I'm sorry if I mispronounced this. If you know the correct pronunciation, can you please put it in the comments below for me? It's Luminizing Primer. So this is by Seraphine Botanicals. Okay, so, oh, this is cool. It's like really sealed. Not going nowhere. I don't have, oh, there you go. I was like, I don't have the strength. Let me read what this says. So it says, tired looking skin instantly comes to life with this natural looking glow enhancing formula. So I guess it's for your skin to look refreshed. I don't know. I'm not used to using an illuminizing cream. Alright. Let's see what this feels like. First, you gotta smell it. I mean, well, I gotta smell it. It just smells like lotion. So, I'm assuming that this would go under your eyes. It looks like it has a little bit of a shine to it. So, I would say maybe under your eyes, underneath your concealer, kind of make make this under here look a little bit, you know, lighter. Let's say you had a long night before, or you're tired, or, you know, whatever. Or if you even if you just want to look like a little bit more glowy, more, this is your product, which is really nice. It goes on really nice. I really like this product. Next product. What is this? It's a Betty Boop makeup brush, eyeshadow brush. It actually looks like a blending brush. It's really nice. It's really, really fluffy, really soft. The bristles are really soft. It has a bee and some hearts for Betty Boop. And it's really, really thin, really, really light. And it's really, really, really nice. Dude, my grandma would be like, that's mine. Those are for me. You're giving those to me because I'm your grandma. And she's totally right. I would totally give them to her. Alright, so this one, the brand is called Lenny, I want to say. I'm sorry guys, all of these makeup products that are hard to pronounce, or they're a little bit weird, not weird, but just weird pronunciation, weird spelling. And then this is in the color Byron Bay. It looks like a loose eyeshadow. And it is a loose eyeshadow. Let me see. Alright, so we finally got it open. Let's go ahead and tap some of it on the cap here. Okay, just a little bit. Oh wow, this is really, really glittery. Really glittery. It almost reminds me of a gold member from the Austin Powers movies.
I love gold!
Well, let's go ahead and give it a swatch right here, since we did the luminizing lotion and the highlighter. Oh, it's really subtle. I don't think I put enough. There. Yeah, that's really, really pretty, and it almost looks like it's like gold, like you're putting gold on your eyes. This is really nice. This is a really nice color. Now I want to watch Goldmember. Alright, so our last product, our fifth product is They're Real. So They're Real mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. And let's go ahead and open it. I'm not gonna smell it because I mean, you know, mascara all smells the same. Unless it's old, then it smells weird. So let's go ahead and open it. I like the applicator. It's really, really, the bristles are really thin. It's gonna define each eyelash without making it look clumpy or stuck together, which is very nice because nobody likes their mascara or their eyelashes clumpy and stuck together. So this is gonna make them look fuller and a lot more fake. That's why that says They're Real, because then when people ask you, oh, are your eyelashes fake? You said, no, they're real. So this is a very, very nice little trial size. But these little trial sizes of mascara, let me tell you, they last for like a month. So this is cool to have on you, and it's little, so you can put it in your pocket, in your purse, and your, you know, wherever, your little clutch, wherever you have your makeup products to like go with you for travel or for, you know, for on the go. Very perfect size. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching my October unbagging of my IPSY Glam bag. Once again, if you guys would like to subscribe for IPSY, IPSY is a monthly subscription beauty service, which is $10.95 a month. I am not endorsed by IPSY. I am just a customer that loves makeup, just like everyone else that probably watches these videos. So you get to take a survey in the beginning, and according to your survey, they send you 5 personalized products to you for just $10.95 a month. So if you'd like to subscribe, I'm gonna leave my link in the description below. So once again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to these videos if you like these videos. If you like have any comments or any feedback from me, leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video. Peace.